Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok bugs. If you're using TikTok and you're facing any bug in your TikTok app, so let's see how can you easily fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. To make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then you have to go back from here and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not, if your bugs has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to simply go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just have to disconnect with your VPN. After disconnecting, you have to go back. I also recommend you have to try to make a software update. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to App Store, go for search and search for TikTok app. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your TikTok app because updates some bugs might be fixed with the upcoming updates. So you just have to try to update your TikTok app. After updating your app, you have to go to your TikTok app again, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and here tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, and here you'll get the option of freeze up space. Just select that. And here you might get two different options. The first one is cache. You just have to try to clear your cache, or if you want to clear downloads, you can also do that. But I'm gonna clear my cache from here. So just tap on clear, and your cache will be cleared from here. Once I've cleared your cache, you can also try to clear your download from here. Just tap on clear, and your download also will be cleared. So once you've cleared your cache and downloads, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, this is the only way. You have to go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, just look for TikTok app here, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your apps in case of offloading and deleting. If there will be any bug with your TikTok app, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.